Hello, you guys. How you guys doing? Welcome back to YouTube video. So today I'm doing dragon teeth. So right now I'm gonna show you guys how to wrap the dragon teeth. You guys can see I'm wrapping around the main cord, the gray one, around the two cords I have, and then the third one you guys can see I'm wrapping around of the two cords. I mean four cords. Sorry, you guys. So as you guys can see, now I'm tightening it up, making it look nicer and clean, and that's what I'm doing right there. Okay, so right now I'm gonna just continue guys doing that all until the all the way to the end, and you guys going to see the form how it forms the the cord of the bracelet of dragon teeth, and at the end I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like if I could get to the end. Okay, just continue the same way, you guys can tell. Then push up, so it can make it tighter, much cleaner, much easier. And then grab your other cord, wrap it around of the main two cords on the left. Okay, and then same thing on the right. Do the same thing all the way around, and then to put them up, tie them up, and put them up. Okay. So you got that done, and let's do the second one. So the second one is going to be the same thing as of the drill. Okay, you guys can see right there mapping at the other one. So I can get started. And now I'm doing the same thing as the other side. I'm just putting it up and make it a little tighter, make it nice and clean. You guys can tell. And I'm sorry about my hands on the way. And I'm now using my main cord, the gray one, wrap it around with those two, if you can see, and then pull up onto the other side and wrap it around on the right side. So there you go. Same thing on the other side. Do the same thing as well. I don't know if it looks kind of hard to see on your guys' angle, but that's how it is during the paracord braces. It's gonna take time, practice all the time. You guys don't give up on it. How much I give up on doing this type of how you call them paracord braces. It was hard for me, and now I think I'm 50% good. Not really that well. So, anyways, do the same thing as well. You guys just wrap it around on your fingers, and I'm just gonna do it in a fast forward so you guys you see all the way to the end. So I'll talk to you guys a little bit. Okay, now you guys, I'm gonna just go continue doing the same thing as around all the way around to the end. Now you guys can tell, and so anyways, just wrap it around on the other side, and same thing. Go to the other side and put it up, and grab your other cord on the right side, and do the same thing as well. And just continue doing that till you reach. And you guys are doing it. I'm doing it with Donald Buckle. You guys want to do it with the Buckle? It's the same thing, but only different things. It's kind of farther with the buckle on, but at the same time, it's not. It's depending on how what type of buckle you guys have. So yeah. Anyways, thank you so much for be watching here on my YouTube channel. Please hit that subscribe for you guys are new, and this is my first video upload. So thank you very much, and see you guys next video. Thank you very much. Have a great one.